Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create an engineering drawing in AutoCAD using two methods side by side. We'll combine keyboard shortcuts and the Command Manager/Ribbon toolbar to draw shapes like rectangles, circles, polygons, and add dimensions efficiently. This approach helps you learn both workflows simultaneously and see how they complement each other in real drafting practice. We start by creating our drawing using a combination of both methods. Drawing shapes. You can use keyboard input to quickly draw your rectangle or circle for speed. At the same time, the Command Manager allows you to see all options visually, choose different types of shapes, and verify your work. Polygons and complex objects. Keyboard input helps in defining objects with precision. Command Manager allows you to modify the shape visually if needed, giving flexibility and clarity. Adding dimensions. You can quickly add dimensions using keyboard shortcuts for accuracy. Simultaneously, the ribbon toolbar shows all dimensioning options, making it easy to choose linear, radial, or angular dimensions. By using both methods side by side, you get the speed of keyboard shortcuts and the visual guidance of the ribbon, making your workflow smooth and efficient.